Thank God you don't get any seepage into your basement, huh?
Yeah,
That
knock
is the
on wood,
one
that is the one
positive thing.
positive thing for clear
If I have a
glass.
choice between going to the basement,
It
it's
just keeps
cool.
flashing.
Yeah.
It's
I know,
wild.
but when you buy a
You see
house,
that? Watching this, Dave?
you don't think of all that.
It's
No,
almost a
No.
I mean,
continuous
this is
flashing.
almost like this is something you wind up finding out after you live
What?
there for.
Look at it through my.
You find out it, I mean,
Look at it through my camera.
well,
Oh, you see it better through the
Because it's
phone
only
than.
picking up light.
Yeah.
It just keeps doing it.
Yeah.
Are you on a particular specific mode or something?
Video.
Video, that's
Are
it?
you
It's not
seeing
like...
anything?
I'm getting mine in color.
It's wild. It
Yours is
keeps.
like black and white.
It just keeps doing it and doing it. It's pretty crazy.
Nice.
It's like right out of a Steven Spielberg movie or something. What in the world?
I can see it on my camera on your screen.
But your camera
I'm
doesn't
looking
pick
at...
it up?
No, my
I mean,
camera's not picking up
I
what
see
you're
strips of
getting.
lightning,
I'm not getting what you're getting.
and it just keeps going. Every time I think it's kind of going to stop, I get another little. I get a mosquito on my hand. Is what I hate.
Oh, God, mosquitoes. No.
Oh, they're out.
I mean, with my bare eye, I can see it just